Now this is the perfect dip buying opportunity. Whether you're looking at Pepe, whether you're looking at Ethereum, Bitcoin, Shiba Inu coin, it doesn't matter. Everything dipped down today and the whales jumped in to buy. Guys, the prices are already back on the rise, and it's the perfect explanation and sort of technical view of why buying the dip during a bull market is so important. We're going to go over some Pepe news in this video, talking about how Pepe could be on the verge of essentially a 35 to 40% breakout to the upside to reach new all-time highs, and then we're going to hit on a brand new pre-sale. Guys, this one has already done over $3 million. Just since the last time I looked at it and refreshed the page, it was at $2,999,000. Now it's at $3,019,000. Doing essentially $20,000 in the last, I don't know, couple of minutes, really. Play Doge. Why it's selling out so fast and why you might be interested in buying. You know, if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay Bro, and you can see Play Doge on the screen right now. Now, if at any time during this video you guys feel interested in buying, please make sure to utilize the affiliate link in the description below. It's going to pull up the Play Doge website. It's the correct Play Doge website, and there are scammers out there. So I do want to show you guys this. On their X account, they are growing, and they are growing quickly. 4,520 followers, and you guys can see that they are extremely active. Of course, they've got their pinned tweet here, and this does look like a lot of fun, but they've also got tweet 4 hours ago, 5 hours ago, 10 hours ago. These guys are extremely active when it comes to posting on X and keeping up to date with their community, which is what you need to be concerned about with any brand new token. Are they interacting? Are they just tweeting? Are they generating impressions? Are they generating engagement? And yes, it seems as though the engagement and the impressions are organic for Play Doge. That is exactly what you guys want to see here. 10 retweets, 21 comments, 20 likes, 1.5 thousand impressions. Very, very good, and a very, I guess, quickly growing community out on X. Now, let's talk really quick about Pepe, though. Pepe had a nice pullback to about 1,200 points per coin today, and it's currently sitting around almost 1,300 points per coin, back up 5, 6, 7%. Now, after this dip, it goes on to talk about why Pepe could be breaking out to the upside. The 4-hour chart reveals that an ascending triangle pattern, which if validated, can lead to a 15% price move to the upside for Pepe. The triangle has been forming as the token consolidates in the wake of the rally to the record high. And you guys can see that triangle right here, the ascending trend line to the upside, and of course the horizontal resistance on the upside there. It says an ascending trend line affirms the strengthening bullish grip with the horizontal line or x-axis representing the resistance. Bulls have tried to break through this hurdle with no success. Nonetheless, the triangle is still valid as long as the price is within its boundaries. Traders would be ready with buy orders slightly above the x-axis. Such a breakout should be accompanied by high volume. The 15% move will propel Pepe to 1780 and possibly create FOMO buyers wishing to jump in on the trend. The triangle can be seen as the beginning of a rally above that 2,000 point per coin mark or new all-time highs. And guys, if Pepe is hitting all-time highs, the rest of the meme coin market is going to be paying attention, and the rest of the meme coin market is going to be rallying as well. Now, Play Doge can't rally at the moment, but it can certainly sell out, and it is selling out extremely quickly right now. You guys can see $3,020,560 have been sold so far, and if you're interested in buying, it is very easy to connect your wallet. You're simply going to come over here and click Connect Wallet. Choose which one you want to connect. When you're done, you're going to decide, I want to buy 10 Ethereum worth, and that's going to get you 7.16 million Play Doge. Now, guys, 7 million Play Doge, you guys can do the math. What happens when it goes to 5 cents, 10 cents, 50 cents, $1, and so on as to how much money you're going to be making. But as you saw on their X account, these guys are building a Tamagotchi-style game. Now, the Tamagotchi style game is really going to hit home with all of the 90s lovers out there, and I think it's a perfect combination of cryptocurrency investors, right? It really speaks to our demographic and excites the retail investors in the crypto space. And as you can see, they're also building out these mini games, little fun arcade style games that you're going to be able to play on Android and iOS. Now, the third phase of their roadmap is when the minigame beta is going to be released, and and apps are going to be tested. From there, you're going to have the full app release in stage 4 and the mini games launching in stage 4 as well, including community airdrops and large centralized exchange listings. Guys, the potential for Play Doge is literally through the roof. I've bought into it. I'm very excited about it. I think that it hits the right demographic, and the numbers speak for themselves. $3 million in less than a week of this, I guess, pre-sale being live here indicates that a lot of people are buying in. And they're buying in when meme coins aren't even rallying. They're buying in when cryptocurrencies aren't hitting all-time highs. They're buying in because they believe in this project. I've bought in because I'm very, very excited about Play Doge. I think it does an excellent job of combining everything that the cryptocurrency investor is interested in. I want to know down in the comments below if you guys are buying in as well. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.